Hey, hello guys, this is SRINIVAStheDEVELOPER from the Developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK daily challenge of 17 August 2021. Here this is the problem they have given, string print vertically. The program must accept three string values, that's Parakadosam, S1, S2, S3. The S1 will be printed as the first row of the matrix, S2 and S3 will printed vertically in column of the matrix. Uh, like Here the three words are volcano, low lying and orange. We just need to print the volcano. It will be the column size and it will contain the starting letter of low lying and orange. So we just need to print the values like O, R, A, N, G in vertical order and low lying in vertical order. So since the low lying has the highest number of character, it will be the row size. Likewise we have to do the same thing, but here we have the same letter, like tie and task have the same starting letter T. So first T will be assigned to S2 and second T will be assigned to task S3. Likewise we have to make the pattern. So let's jump into the programmatical part. First, S1 input. So to get rid of spaces and additional escape cases, I'm stripping all those values. The same thing will be happen for S3, sorry, up to S3, S2 and S3, S2, S3. Now we have got all the inputs. It's time to check if S2 and S3 having the same first character. If S2 of 0 equal to S3 of 0, then we just need to do the index like index of 2 equal to S1 dot index of S2 of 0. There is no change in this one. But for S3, index 3 equal to S1 dot index of S3 of 0, comma. Here we just need to specify the offset, which is nothing but we just need the character which occurring after the index 2, right? So I'm specifying index 2 plus 1. So this will check for the next character after the given index. If I remove this plus 1, it just return the same value index 2 because it also have the same character, right? Like, yeah. Here the offset value is nothing but it will check the value after the given index. If I have already taken the value index here, so I just need to check the index for this part. So it will give the next occurring character of the T. If I included this one, it will return the same index. So to get rid of that, I have included plus 1 here. Otherwise, if they have different characters, S2, yeah, index 2 equal to S1 dot index of S2 of 0, index 3 equal to S1 dot index of S3 of 0. That's it. We are set up with the index part. Now it's time to generate a matrix for the size of highest number of characters row and first character as column size, right? So length equal to len of max of S2 comma S3. We have to specify the key equal to len. So we just need to find the value which has the greater number of character, right? Highest length. So we have get the length. Now it's time to generate a matrix. Matrix equal to, in first matrix we have the list of S1 plus list of asterisks or just stars with the multiple of length of s1. This should fill the value for I in range of length. Actually, -1, we have already got the first row, right? Or 0th row. So let me print the value inside matrix star matrix comma separation equal to new line. Here I'm specifying the value butter tie task. We have get something. The length is not defined because I have forgotten the G here. G. Why G? Now we have got butter. Actually, it's working fine, but this should be inside the parentheses or square brackets. Now it will work fine. Yeah, we have butter, and this is in the row size of 4, which is the size of task. Task can be found here, and tie also can be included this. Now we just need to modify the values. For that, we have two different length characters, right? For that, to iterate the values, we just need two different iterators. So I2 for string 2 and I3 for string 3. And this should start from the index 1. It's because if we want to print the t is already here, right? So we just need to iterate the value oy and ask. We can just get rid of the first character. That's why I have specified 1 here. Now for I in range of, we just need to iterate for the column size. For I in range of length, again I have missed the G, but this time we just need to iterate or just skip the first row. So we are just going to start from the first row. We can skip the 0th row. Inside this, if I2 is lesser than the size of ln of S2, just modify the matrix of I, and the index we have already found here, right? Index 2 equal to S2 of I2. After each iteration, we just need to increment the I2 value, I2 plus equal to 1. Likewise, if I3 is smaller than len of S3, matrix of I of index 3 equal to S3 of I3. I3 plus equal to 1. Finally, we just need to print the matrix separation equal to /n. So I have given the same input. Now we got butter, tie, and task. Everything working fine. But it's not printing the values in the expected order, right? So inside this, instead of this matrix, we just need to put all those values separately. Join of I for I in matrix. So that's it. It will fix that format. So if I print this value, we got butter, tie, and task. That's it, guys. That's it for today's video. Here, this is the code for you. Hope you really like and enjoy this video, or above all that, hope you really understood the logic and the program. The reason why I'm explaining these things in this much or this age code, just to make you understand what just happening before every single line. So see you soon with something else, guys. Until then, bye.